Engine started up. We're going to put our fingers in the air and spin them around like this. Spin them, spin them, spin them, spin them. Keep spinning, keep spinning. And here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, a Hamilton turn. Give a big round of applause for Captain Ryan. Alright guys, and here we go for our Mickey Mouse run. This is just a little bit of an introduction to whitewater.
Olivier est mouillé là.
Gentlemen, welcome on board some water. That was a good one. Alright, we are dropping in double full in 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Oh, we got another big one here. Another big one. Hold your breath. Here it comes. All right, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Here it goes. Hitting us from all angles today. Wonder if you guys that are in the front row are rethinking that seating option. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Here it is. It's coming up. Oh boy. Up with double full. We are going down into the double full in 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. And we're continuing on. Whoa, up. Oh.
One time to do it.
There it is. Gotta find that sweet spot.